Hello again, this is Omid and welcome back to Speak Rich with me today. How are you doing today? We're going to talk about holiday and different phrases that we may use in different situations in our speech. Of course, it could be at lower level. We talk over phrases on holidays, addresses in different places, and how we like something. Yes, we focus on the verb like. For the first item that mostly speakers may face in the wrong way is preposition on. We say, we are on holiday. We don't say in holiday or we go to holiday. No, on holiday. We are on holiday. Yes, they are on holiday in New York. Sometimes we can mix structures together to make beautiful sentence when we speak professionally, or when we want to not to have a kind of flat speech. They are on holiday in New York. Of course, we use preposition in for cities and countries. In New York, in London, in Texas, countries, in England, in France, in Italy. We don't say they are on New York. They are in holiday. No, they are on holiday in New York. That is the structure. Sometimes we can use it in a wrong way. When we talk about special place like hotel, their hotel in the center of the city. Their hotel, listen, sometimes we forget. Their hotel in the center. No, their hotel is in the center. Where? In the center of the city. Their hotel is in the center of the city, or we can say their hotel is in the city center. Their hotel is in the center of the city. In the center of the city. We don't say in the center, in the city. We should avoid this mistake. Their hotel is in the center of the city. Or their hotel is in the city center. Another item that we have is weekend. On the weekend. Of course, in American English we say on the weekend, but in British we say at the weekend. They're away at the weekend. Yes, they're on holiday in New York this weekend. Of course, if we say this weekend, we don't say at this weekend. Or we say at the weekend. We don't say at this weekend. And we have other prepositions for days. If you know that we can say on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, we use preposition on for days of the week. On Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday. But if I talk about next Monday, I don't say, I don't work on next Monday. I don't work next Monday. If we use the word like next. Or this weekend. I'm gonna step out with my friends this weekend. We are on holiday in New York, and we talk about the address or destination that we have in different special addresses. Our hotel is near a bus stop, or it is near a bus stop. We don't say it is near to a bus stop. No, please. Be careful. It is near a bus stop. Of course, we say the hotel is next to a library, or the hotel is next to a big supermarket. We don't say it is next supermarket. Yes, when they are very close, we say the hotel is next to a supermarket. But if we talk about the neighborhood or something around, we say the hotel is near a bus stop. We don't say near to a bus stop. Definitely, we need to say it is near a bus stop or it is next to a supermarket. Next to, near, without preposition to. If we ask the question about the destination, we say, how far is it? How far is it? Or how far is your work? The answer is 10 minutes by bus, a quarter by taxi, or about 20 minutes on foot. Yes, by car, by bus, but we don't say by foot. No, we say 20 minutes on foot, but 10 minutes by car is not so far away. Yeah. I go to work by car. It takes about 10 minutes by car. And it usually takes 20 minutes on foot. We are on holiday. We like our hotel. It is great. And we talk about the food. it is about a kind of lower level, A1 or A2. We say, I like it. I like it the best. I really like it. But sometimes we got some students, they say, or we have some learners, some speakers, I could say. In the lower level, we say, I very like it. We don't use this structure here. I very like it is not definitely true. We say, I really like it. I definitely like it. Of course, we could say, I like it the best. Oh, the food is great. That is perfect. I like it the best. The hotel is amazing. It's got a lot of appliances, and I really like it. Or if we talk about a special place or apartments in a big city, we have some intensifiers. We say, I rent a house. I rent a house in a special city. The apartment is big. Good. But if you want to have intensifiers, we can say, it is really big. It is so big. It is definitely big. It's quite big. We use intensifiers. So, really, definitely, quite. It is quite big. It is really big. Of course, these quantifiers would be used with other structures that we could use for vacation. My vacation or my holiday was so long. The driving was so boring. The flight was really horrible. The view was definitely scenic. We could use these intensifiers with adjectives to make our speech perfect, not so flat. My friends, for next videos, you can follow us for other great phrases that we can have and we can remove our errors. But please, you could be nice enough to stay with us, subscribe our channel, please put the notification bell, and if you are nice enough and perfect, be kind to like our video. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice time. Take care.